All right, so let's do some restocks. I don't know about you guys, but this has been a long week for us. For me, restocks are just so therapeutic. I just love doing them. Putting our snacks in our drawers makes it so easy to see when we're running low and makes it easy to grab and go. And our pantry is literally one of my favorite places in our home. So we do eat a lot of eggs in our household, so I keep a lot of eggs. So I found 2 storage organizers that I absolutely love and a safe space as well. This is an under the shelf drawer that holds 28 eggs. I'm really loving this refrigerator door egg holder. It's super slim and can hold 30 eggs. Each level flips up when empty so that you can easily access the next level. Plus it has an expiration date knob on here as well. So if you're tight on space, this may be the perfect egg holder for you. And I love this rolling bin because I can easily pull things out and see what's in the back of my fridge as well. And we got this new battery organizer, which I like because you can zip it up. It's fireproof and you can tow it around your home. Sometimes we have to place things upstairs in the kids' room, sometimes downstairs in the basement. So this is easy to carry and go. It holds 220 plus batteries of different types. Plus it also has zipper pockets for extra storage as well. And this dog treat organizer is airtight. We've been using it for a long time and it works great to keep the treats fresh. I start by removing the ones that's left over and then we restock the new. And of course, I just have to give her one.